Just thought I'll give you an update with regards to the jobs that were advertised. A total of 23,000 resumes were sent. I'm not talking of the duplicates. I'm not talking of one guy applying for 10 jobs and 10 times. And I'm talking of the ones that we could eliminate, the duplicates. And I literally had to take the assistance of a couple of other people, paid some money, and we were able to sort it out. So just to make you understand, what was done was we took the various categories, put the CVs in various folders, and if it was sales, the guy who paid money for sales, he could download all those CVs or take all of them. And engineering, send it to them. Warehouse, send it to the guy who paid warehouse. Okay. I did spend some time. I obviously couldn't see all the CVs, but I did spend some time to check some CVs. Majority of them were, badly done. You could make out copy paste, or they did it by themselves, or they just approached some agency for $10, $50 or $100. You could clearly make out. It's a very, when you keep seeing CVs after CVs, you can make out. But there were some really good ones, very good ones. And when I spoke to my clients, and when they told me which were the CVs they finally selected, they showed me the ones they liked. And to be honest with you, I was very impressed with I think 2 or 3, very, very, very impressed. It was absolutely incredible, the CVs. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let me give you just 3 examples of 3 incredible candidates, not just resumes. This guy, his CV was just 1 page. Just 1 page, simple, easy to read, okay? And very well done. I was so impressed with his CV. I actually got in touch with him to ask him, how did you make the CV, or from where did you make it? The guy actually is educated abroad, well-to-do family. He got some of the top content writers to write for him. Really, he approached a creative agency, advertising agent. He paid a lot of money, and it was very evident. The layout, the design, absolutely blown away. He requested me not to share his profile with anyone. He was very particular. I said, that's fine. You have my word, because I don't want to start distributing. But I did ask him that, I told him that I would be copying the ideas. He's saying, you can't stop. He's saying, feel free to use the idea, but just don't share my details with anyone. So I said, okay. Oh, dog and cat. Who are you guys? Dog and cat. Very good. Don't see that every day. So, wow. That was quite something, I'll tell you. The guy's profile, you can clearly make out, is miles apart. And in terms of the interview and everything else, he absolutely blew the employer out of the water. Only thing is, he was asking for, I think, 4 times the salary. 4 times the salary, which I believe he will get. Wow. He was an incredible candidate. Incredible. There are very rare moments where I've been impressed. So this was one of them. And he has undergone proper training right from, I think, a very young age. He has undergone etiquette training, training for dress, training for behavior, training for public speaking, training for presentations, multiple things. His upbringing was clearly evident. Nice guy. The second second observation, most of the guys who did click, I think they were 2-page CVs. Very brief, well done. You can make out that obviously the CVs were not done by a professional agency or whatever, but they were very qualified, very, very qualified, on the dot. Most of them had years and years of experience, and I think one of the reasons why they got is because they were the perfect candidate. Everything, if the employer had boxes to tick, references in the company, sales targets achieved, okay, a leadership personality, knowledge of the subject, education from a reputed university, everything perfect. And last but not least, the third category was the people who they had the experience, but they were kind of undercutting the market because they had to get a job. So many of them, let's say for example, say a guy is worth 15,000 dirhams, but he'll agree with even 9,000 dirhams. Well, the employer is a businessman. He of course would scoop that candidate immediately. So these were the three categories. One was uber, out of the world, wow. The second category was perfect, the perfect candidate. And the third one was not so good, not so bad, average candidate, but was ready to undercut the market. So these are the three categories of people who did get jobs. Almost all of them were based in UAE itself. I don't think there was anyone who was abroad and who got the job. Only even the remote, those jobs which are like write online and all that, they were actually taken by ex-newspaper staff, newspaper, journalists and all that. Some of them even English teachers. Language, not the kindergarten. We are talking of proper like English professors, writers who have written tons and tons of articles. Some of them, their style was not like mine. I don't like that long drawn out this thing, but I guess they got the contract, so that's okay. So I just thought I'll update you with all these happenings, and if in case you have sent me your resume and you want to know what is the feedback, I can't do for all 23,000, and if in case you do get in touch with me, I would suggest get in touch with me via WhatsApp. I can give feedback for a fee, a small fee. I'll not charge you a full amount, but I can give you a basic discussion which will be of value to you if you want, and you can take it on from there. It's up to you. I'm not saying that you have to. So yeah, this is what the jobs were. There are still a couple of them who have not yet decided. Remember, I told you there are jobs for the coming, for November and December. They've just kept the CVs and they said they'll decide later. So it's a mixed bag, and I don't think I'll be doing this for quite some time because it was really taxing. I still have to complete a little bit more of work, and I think the next time I do it is January or Feb or whatever. And yes, remember, there is an IT job which is a London-based company. They are seeking for someone immediately. So yeah, this was the update with the jobs. Just thought I'd let you know for those who applied. If there are any questions, let me know. And yeah, please do get in touch with me via WhatsApp because there's too many emails for me to sort out. So anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you. Any questions, let me know. This is me signing off. Guys, take care.
You know why I want this fucking job? You know why the I want a job? Fucking because I'm the only fucking person who wants this fucking job. That's why I want this job.
Stop getting the wrong advice. Ensure you get the right skills for the right job for jobs in the Middle East. Contact Loy Macedo.